Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. In this channel, you will find all the subjects in the playlist from first year BMS, second year BMS, third year BMS, and last professional course of BMS, fourth year BMS. So there are the subjects like आयुर्वेद रचना शारीर और क्रिया शारीर, पदार्थ विज्ञान, अष्टांग हृदय, द्रव्य गुण विज्ञान, रसशास्त्र वैशिष्ट्य कल्पना, रोग निदान, काय चिकित्सा, पंचकर्म, रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी, each and every. Then there is also Ayurveda for all. So the different things are there in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. This particular series is regarding Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan from chapter number 1 to chapter number 30. But my dear friends, always remember that I have divided each chapter in different parts to understand very easily and in a very small time, not too much tasking. So chapter 4 is divided into the 4 parts. So try to see each and every video of each and every chapter and each and every part. Okay. So Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan Vagbhat chapter 4 Rog Anutpadani Adhyay part 2. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine, that is Kaya Chikitsa, and MD in Ayurvedic physiology, that is Kriya Sharir. My WhatsApp number is 922681060. So let us start from shlok number 8 to shlok number 14. We are going to discuss in part 2. Important questions for the examination purpose. SAQ short answer 3 or 5 marks. Number 1. Describe Udgar Avarodh Lakshana and Chikitsa. Kshavathu Avarodh suppression. Lakshana features and Chikitsa. Lakshana means symptoms. What the patient will show the symptoms. Okay. Then Trishna, thirst, Avarodha Lakshan, suppression of the thirst and its management. Chikitsa means treatment or management. Nidra, suppression, Avarodha Lakshan and Chikitsa. Shrama Shwasa, Avarodha Lakshan and Chikitsa. Each can be separately asked for SAQ. Udgara, irritation or belching. Oops. Okay. Udgarasya aruchihi, kampo, vibandho, Hridaya Urasoho. This is the speciality of my video. Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan, each shloka, important shlokas are given with Sandhi Vigraha. When Sandhi Vigraha is done, that small booklet Guti is available as a PDF with me. If anybody wants, it is a paid service. Okay. Admana, Kas, Hidmaha, Cha, Hidmavat, Tatra Bheshajam. Due to the suppression of eructation, the following diseases may occur. Number 1, aruchi, that is loss of appetite. Aruchi, Sanskrit word and English understanding. Okay. Kampa, tremors. Okay. Then vibandha hridaya urasu, obstruction in the proper function of heart and lungs. There is some burden on your heart and lungs. Okay. Admana, abdominal distension. Kasa, that is cough. Hidma, hiccup. Treatment is similar to the hiccup avarodha. Okay. Then next, Vega, natural urges, physical natural urges. Kshavathu, sneezing. Kshavathu, if I suppress, if I'm going, if I suppress, then what will happen? Shiraha arti, Indriya Daurbalya, Manyastambha, Ardita Kshutehi. Shirorti, headache. Headache will start. If I repeatedly stop my sneezing, headache will start. Indriya Daurbalya, debility of sense organs. My eyes, my speech, my ears may not function normally. Little bit upset. Okay. Manyastambha, stiffness of the neck. Ardita Vata, facial paralysis like condition. Actually, it is not facial paralysis. Don't get shocked. Oh, Bell's palsy because of the obstruction of the sneezing. Some modern medical doctors, they will laugh if you make such statement. So what is my understanding when the Vagbati is saying Ardita, it may be the facial paralysis like condition, spasm of the muscle. Spasm of facial muscle is quite possible. Okay. This occurs due to the suppression of sneezing. Next, Shavathu sneezing treatment, Tikshna, Dhuma, Anjana, Agrana, Navana, Arka Vilokanaihi, Pravartayet Kshatim Saktam, Sneha Svedaucha Shilaye. Easy Sanskrit, Sandhi Vigraha. Induce sneezing with Tikshna Dhumapan. Inhalation of fumes with pungent substances, black paper, for example, pippali, for example, long paper, tikshna anjana, collyrium, tikshna dravya, agrana, tikshna nasya, nasal drops, vacha oil, nasya with vacha oil, calamus oil, very hot, okay. Then tikshnarka, that is vilokana, looking at the sun, looking at the hitting object. So it will stimulate to your brain centers. Then that is Sneha Karma, oil massage to the face, and Svedana Karma, that is sudation or fomentation. Vata Hara Ahara Sevana, food, consuming the food which mitigate Vata Shamana will take place. Vata Shamana food, okay. Administration of ghee internally after food is also indicated by the author of Ashtanga Sangraha. He has also mentioned about Ghritapan, Trishna, thirst, Shosha. This is very common. People try to avoid drinking water for the whole day and then they suffer from urinary tract infection. Commonest problem. When in the especially summer season, Grishma Rutu, when people drink less water, they neglect their thirst sensation because of the education, learning in the school, learning in the colleges. They neglect it because of the heavy task in the offices, heavy task, heavy burden in the business. And so many people make this mistake to suppress, to neglect the sensation of thirst. That is not good. What will happen? Show. Okay. Angasad, Badhirya, Sammoha, Brahma, Hrida Gadaha. Gada means diseases. Trishnaya Nigraha, Tatra Shitaha, Sarvo Vidhi Hitaha. The most important is bold, Shitaha. Thanda, cool, because Trishna is related with Pitta Prakop. Vata Prakop will be there, but Pitta Prakop will be also there because you have not drink the water. Dehydration will take place and Dhatu Kshejanya Vata Prakop, Udaka Dhatu Kshaya. And also because of the dryness, heat will increase in the body. There is no hydration. So Shita Upachar, Vata Shama and Pitta Shamaka treatment should be given. Suppression of thirst leads to Shosha, emaciation, loss of elasticity, dehydration symptoms. Okay. Then Angasada, that is debility, weakness, tired. Oh my God. Then Sammoha, delusion, drowsiness, fainting will start. Then Brahma, giddiness, and Hridagada, chest pain will start. Treatment, use the cold water for drinking and bathing purpose. Manage the condition by the intake of cold substances like food and drinks, which is Pitta Shamaka. Anti-Pitta treatment should be given for this Vegavaru Trishna. Next is hunger, very common. As like the thirst, people also suppress, people also neglect their natural hunger sensation. And then because of they don't have any time, because of the busy schedule in the schools, busy schedule in the colleges, busy schedule in the services, busy schedule in the business, and people neglect thirst sensation. People neglect hunger sensation, and that is bad according to the Ashtanga Hridaya Sutra Sthan Vagbhat. Okay, Angabhanga, अरुचि, ग्लानि, कार्य, शूल, भ्रमः, क्षुधा. तत्र योज्यम लघु स्निग्धम उष्णम अल्पम च भोजनम. Okay, suppression of hunger leads to anga bhang, splitting pain all over the body. Aruchi, anorexia, dhatu kshejanya vata prakopa. Remember, glani, tired, exhaustion, drowsiness, hypoglycemia will take place. Remember, karsh, emaciation, anorexia nervosa, mental fatigue will be there. Shula, pain will be there, and brahma, that is giddiness, will be there. Treatment: ask the patient to take light, easy to digest. Anchas, little bit ghee, milk should be there, warm, and limited food is the best treatment for Kshudha Avarodha. Okay, Nidra, sleep. Nidraya. Also, this also happens because the people like to see the videos. People like to see the mobiles, WhatsApp messages, Facebook chat, Twitter, everything is there. Now the screen time has been increased. The people are a lot of time engaged in the mobile phones, in the computers, in the desktops, in the laptops, and TV especially. So all this gives a lot of stress to your mind and body, and the people forget to sleep. And even if they try afterwards, they don't get the sleep. That is a vicious cycle. Okay, so insomnia that can occur. So nidra, sleep. Nidraya, if you don't sleep properly at night, that is very dangerous, because sleeping 8 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours at night, sound sleep is best recharging of the body and mind. Sleep is best recharging of your body and mind. Growth hormone secretes at night. So the children, if they want to increase their height, if they want to increase their weight, the night sleep is very, very, very essential. Don't forget this. Okay. So Nidraya, Moha, Murdha, Akshi Gaurava, Alasya, Jrumbika, Angamardha cha, Ishtaha, Swapnaha, Samvahanani cha. Suppression of sleep. What will happen? Moha, delusion, confusion in the mind, not concentration. The student will not concentrate in the next day. The person cannot concentrate in his office, in his business in the next day if he don't take the proper sleep. He remains awake till the midnight. That is very bad. Murdha Gaurava, headache, heaviness. Akshi Gaurav, heaviness on the eyes, like drowsiness. Okay. Then Alas, lassitude, Jrumba, yawning, Angamarda, body pains. What should be the treatment? To overcome the above symptoms, it is advised to sleep for particular time and conduct light body massage. Light body oil massage, tail massage is very essential when you suppress your sleep. Kas, cough. Okay. Kasasya rodha, tat vriddhihi. If you try to suppress, it will again come up. Rebound coughing. If you suppress cough, rebound coughing. Okay. Shvasa, dyspnea will be there. Aruchi, Hrida Amayaha, Amaya diseases. Shosho, Hidmachakaryo, Atra, Kasaha, Sutram, Vidhihi. By the suppression of cough that leads to the Kasadhikya, that will increase the cough, rebound. Okay. Shwas, dyspnea, breathlessness will start. Hrid roga, cardiac problem or chest congestion, chest pain will be there. Not exactly cardiac, but the chest region will suffer. Then shosha, emaciation, hikka, that is hiccup. Treatment: manage the symptom as per the line of treatment advised in Kasa Roga. The students, the patients, the doctors should study the original chapter of Kasa, and then they will understand how to treat this particular concern of Kasa Vega Varudh. Shramashwas, dyspnea on exertion. Patient go on working, workaholics, and they neglect their body need to rest, and then they over over exert themselves, and that is very bad. Gulma, hridroga, heart problems, angina pectoris, sammoha, shramashvasat vidharitat, hitam vishramanam tatra vatagnam cha kriyakramaha. Due to the suppression of dyspnea caused by the exertion leads to gulma, abdominal tumors, hridroga, cardiac problems like angina pectoris, and sammoha, that is delusions. What should be the proper treatment? Ask the patient to take the proper rest. Physical and mental rest is very essential. And anti-vata treatments. Vata Shamaka Upachar. Little bit sweet porridges, oil massage, little bit fermentation, Shirodhara, Abhyanga, that can help in Shamashvasa. So, my dear friends, this is the end of this video of chapter 4, Rogan Anutpadaniya Adhyay of Vagbhat, part 2. From shlok number 8 to shlok number 14, Professor Deshpande has discussed. Next will be in the next video. So, my dear friends, I am sure that you will definitely like this my series of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan from chapter number 1 to chapter number 30, step by step. So I request all of you to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want any paid online consultation, online teaching programs, paid, of course, paid, you please only WhatsApp me on 92268 By this, I wish you all the best. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye.